guys, and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we continue our journey to the security systems for your home, and we have an outdoor camera. It can record its own battery for 180 days. It's for the familiar company. We have did already a video for the doorbell.
ieGeek.
And it's a very efficient camera, and we will see the features in a moment. So don't lose time. Let's go
to the unboxing. Satisfying noise of unboxing. Oh.
So you see a small box?
And a smaller box.
Yes. It's a wire-free battery-powered camera. It's an outdoor device, but you can use it inside the house if you like. And of course we bought with it the high endurance SanDisk, because we are very satisfied with this specific model for Cctv systems. They last forever basically, and you have the warranty from SanDisk. So let's go and open this beautiful box.
Of course.
We are very happy with the doorbell from ieGeek. Their communication. We are happy with the battery life, the quality of the picture, and we have some good news for this model too, because
I can't see where I'm actually opening.
As we said, on this model yeah, it has a warning that don't charge the battery in 0 degrees. Yes, that's the reason. It says the main reason is this camera supports install a solar panel, which is not included in the box, but you can install a solar panel on this device and have it running all year.
Yeah, without ever charging it. We've got a little cute book of instructions.
Yeah.
Really cute.
Yeah.
We do have
2 year
warranty
yes.
from the company.
And let's see this small guy.
So we have its accessories, lads.
I believe it's just a
yeah, I'm just showing
wall mounting.
It's a wall mount.
Yes.
And of course it's
some plugs and some screws.
Yeah.
And a USB wire to charge the device.
Yeah, you've got the charging cable.
But as we talked in the beginning,
180 days.
180 days of video with no charging. So it's gonna be quite a long time.
A long time until you actually need to charge it.
Yes.
So
very minimized box. But they do it for purposes not you know, waste a lot of plastic and stuff like that on the bin. You see this? Yes, you have the ability to talk to your Amazon driver and say, if it is inside your garden, please leave the parcel there. Yep. So you have the ability, as on the bell, you have the ability to talk and listen from this, and it has a light. Yeah. So when you detect an animal or something, you can turn on the light and see what's going on. And of course, as we said, you have the ability to use this device with no subscription, with just installing
an SD card.
An SD card, or if you like, they have a very small amount you pay every month, and you have the cloud, which it has AI on the cloud, and you can detect like your cat is out at 2 o'clock, something like that. We don't use that. We prefer just to use the device as it is.
So let's go and take the protection off.
Yes, this is a peer sensor which detects basically heat, and that's how you detect if there's an animal outside and not false alarms.
Yep.
It's a 3 megapixel camera. You can buy the bigger model which has 5 megapixel. We didn't thought that we need more than 2K resolution, but you can always buy the 4K resolution and be happy. The main thing with this is you can install as many devices as you like on your app and see them and they have notifications. Do you want to show what's happening under there?
Yep. Here we have the little thing for the mountain.
Mounting
Yeah.
for this.
I'll just show them. It's literally screwing.
Yes, you have the ability. It has a similar cable. The solar panel. You can install the solar panel and have the device charging all the time with the sun. We're not gonna use that. We just wanna use it as normally. So what we have up there, down there to the. You know, it's never gonna unscrew like this.
Yeah, I was trying to show them this.
Yeah.
When you actually tighten it up, you can choose where exactly you want your camera without it moving all around. That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah, you said, let me see.
And this is
have nails, you have big nails.
I have big nails.
So let's see where's the memory.
It's in here. It is actually sealed quite, you can see the thickness of it.
Yes.
So it seals nice.
So you see this is the USB-C. Let me try to focus on that. This is the USB-C. This is the power button. And this is the SD inlet. If you like, guys, to see more of this and test the Bell and this device, we can always make a video explaining more about the ieGeek. But this is the ieGeek outdoor
camera,
wireless and no power wire camera. You can install at your house as long as you are in range of the Wi-Fi. The device is gonna work and record and inform you for every movement or incident around your house.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is the ieGeek outdoor camera, the 2K version. Of course, you can buy the 4K. You connect it just to your app as you do with your doorbell, video doorbell, and you can see both devices and play with them and talk with people.
Yeah.
And you can always install a solar panel on this specific model, or you can buy the solar panel version straight from the shop. As we say, we're not sponsored by any of these companies. We buy everything from our own pocket. So it would be amazing if you like and subscribe and share our videos for people that are interested in technology.
Yeah.
I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
Thank you very much and have a lovely evening.
Have a lovely evening, guys. Bye.
Bye.